morning, people. It's cold. Jumper on. I think this is wet with coolant, so I'm not actually feeling that warm. Bit of a unplanned day today. Work's getting slow, which means I'm taking a financial hit. I just got out of bed too. But good news is, I guess I come out to the shed to do a bit more work. It's a bit of a bugger because I was really relying on some money to be coming in because it's the end of financial year, and I wanted to sort of go out and buy up a bit on the tool side of things. But now I just got to go into lockdown pretty much and start counting my pennies. So it pisses me off a little bit, to be honest. But we ran home yesterday, and didn't run home, but work dried up around about 9 o'clock in the morning for me. Start 6ish and go through to 4:30 every day, and managed to fill in to about 1, and then pretty much gave up and decided to come home. But the good news is we've got old Woody starting running okay. Even got stuck into a building of a bull bar for him, so it was actually pretty progressive. But today, instead of this being my Friday, we're going to do it on a Thursday, and we'll get stuck into doing some more on Beefy. What I want to really get knocked out is I want to build that other bracket for the other wheel arch. We've got one made, and they're a bit intricate with different angles and things like that, so we really need to get that one sorted. Really wouldn't mind getting the dash made a bit better and looking apart and welded together properly. A lot of fabrication stuff I think today, so I think we need to get into those bits to try and get somewhere on him and fill in my day, make some money a different way, I guess. So we'll get old Woody fired up, because now he drives. We'll push him outside and give us some room to work. Get into it. It doesn't look overly attractive, but I think it's going to tidy up pretty good. This is the bracket we're making that mounts to the diff and will support the mud guards. So the mud guard will travel with the wheel, so we can give it a fairly snug look constantly. Like I said, we radius the edges on the outsides. Got a bit of a weird kick in it, because we've got to try and miss the sway bar here. We've got a brake caliper and lines down this end. We've got angles, like a twist in certain angles. So as you can imagine, I don't know, it was one of those things. I was very surprised that it actually worked out quite well in the end. But I've got to try and mimic this to put on the other side in a reverse. So I think we're just going to have to try and get this shape here correct first. And once we've got that sorted, then I'm just going to probably be measuring each corner to corner. I think that'll be the most direct and safest way, and then we'll try and get these finished off. I've got to end cap these and weld them up, and just probably weld these end bits in here too to get them done so they're ready for paint then. So let's crack out the noisy cutting thing and start cut some steel.
I wanna kill you, this drop. Let me kill you, let's drop. I wanna kill you, this drop. Let me kill you, let's drop. I wanna kill you, this drop. Let me kill you, let's drop. I wanna kill you, this drop. Let me kill you。为了押韵丢了思想，虚荣的锁定了梦想，捏造一个虚假信仰，毁了你恶心的幻想，全年无休，触动融入生活，没有过分的难过或笑，也不动声色，也许这是该有的动作，也是可笑的偷偷不让给你的颜色，孤独者的拥抱是做的事的爱 ，That's right, That's right， 你在沉默中灭亡，这是你的时代 ，Let's fight, Let's fight， 拿起歌词当武器 ，That's right, That's right。给他们迎头重击 Let's fight, let's fight, let's rock I wanna kill you, this rock Let me kill you, let's rock I wanna kill you, this rock Let me kill you, let's rock I wanna kill you, this rock Let me kill you, let's rock I wanna kill you, this rock Let me kill you That's right, let's fight Let's fight, let's fight That's right, that's right Let's fight, let's fight Let's rock I wanna kill you, this rock Let me kill you, let's rock I wanna kill you, this rock Let me kill you, let's rock I wanna kill you, this rock Let me kill you, let's rock I wanna kill you, this rock Let me kill you Let me kill you Let me kill you Die
Right, where'd we end up? Brackets are made, all bolted on, it's got to be painted, and we've started getting this dash done. End capped it, got the infills for the narrowed down to make the cluster look a bit more factory in there, and it's not looking too bad, it's looking pretty fucking sexy. So that's pretty much it. I'm going to call it quits. I've got to be in a hurry because this phone seems to be running out of storage. So thanks for watching and tune in next time. See ya.